Zambia on Wednesday commissioned a memorial park built in honor of Chinese nationals who died during the construction of the Tanzania-Zambia Railway Authority railway line in the 1970s. Constructed by China Civil Engineering Construction Corporation, the memorial park has a museum of photographs as well as graves of 36 Chinese engineers and workers who died during the construction of the 1,860 kilometers railway line which links Zambia and Tanzania.
We remember our fallen heroes lying here, lying elsewhere in Tanzania, Chinese. But we remember our foreign heroes, Zambian citizens, who died and are buried in different locations. It would have been nice to bury them in the same location as their counterparts. We remember those fallen heroes lying in Tanzania to give us this asset. The best way of remembering them is to revive this asset, this investment.
China is willing to work with Zambia and Tanzania to promote South-South cooperation and to safeguard international fairness and justice. Tazara is an economical, convenient, safe, and environment-friendly mode of transportation. Once reactivated, it can promote the development of Zambia copper mining industry and help solve the transportation problems after the substantial increase in copper production.
According to him, the reactivation of the railway line will not only help Zambia solve its transportation challenges and promote the export of more products but was an important part of the Belt and Road Initiative.